Preparing for launch. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Like a space invader, headed straight towards the station. My dropship is stocked with laser grips, ray guns, danger. I'm traveling towards my enemies, gonna vaporize them with the weaponry. Canisters of gas and a light beam, but the rival light chases me. Battle royale inside me, trying to be the last one surviving. Load up the clips as I drive in the weapons we buy as I aim at the targets. Reload that rocket, hit hard like comets. Pull that grenade pin, countdown then toss it. Learning to spar with the dark, I'm shadowboxer. Competing with me and my demons take many losses. I run out of ammo and lose, but then I recoup or settle improve. Upgrading my guns and my moves, reload the mix and I shoot. I battle inside with my moods. When it rattles my mind, I'm doomed. Losing a round or two, retreating, I map out a new plan. Trying again so I move past, it's all I really can do. Learn from it and try to improve. Every time that I go fuck up, I try to forgive it and fix up. I try to accept I got mixed up, I fell down again, gotta get up. I have no control though I get stuck, I lose motivation and dreams. I'm spinning inside like a whirlpool, and the chaos it suffocates me. I scramble and look for relief, a way to swim out I can't breathe. Water fills up in my lungs, drains out of my eyes, I'm crying for love. I'm screaming for help, there's nobody to answer. Treading this ocean, I hope I can manage what I go through. When the skies ain't blue, I battle inside with my moods. When it rattles my mind, I'm doomed. Losing a round or two, retreating, I map out a new plan. Trying again so I move past, it's all I really can do. Learn from it and try to improve. I'm trying to live out my dreams. Only competing with me, often I face defeat, but still I come back for that rematch. Leveling up, gonna beat that enemy in me that seeks havoc. Making me tired, my feet slacking. Making me tired, it seeks havoc. All of these battles are brief matches. When I step out to the battlefield, I take significant damage, and then I decease lasting. Only a bit, the army is thick. Ammo is made of my triggers, they hit heavily, barraging me steadily. Then I feeling heavenly. The demons, they enter me, feed off my energy. I'm broken, they take me, so I take a break and I think in a safe place. Feel it all out and I just wait. I'm powerless now and there's no way, but I'ma be back from the grave. I battle inside with my moods. When it rattles my mind, I'm doomed. Losing a round or two, retreating, I map out a new plan. Trying again so I move past, it's all I really can do. Learn from it and try to improve. I'm trying to live out my dreams. Only competing with me, often I face defeat, but still I come back for that rematch. Leveling up, gonna beat that enemy in me that seeks havoc. Making me tired, my feet slacking.